Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or update header and footer in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file, this is a header, and see this. I will edit this header and footer on my PDF file. Select organize option. Now select here header and footer and select update. This is header headline. I'll remove it. This back is so good, and I'll insert it center footer text. New header, and also I'll say this header color, and see this because it's font size, this top margin, and this is bottom margin. You can increase, decrease, and I'll select page range. Start from page number 2. Now simply select OK and OK, and see this what are now inserted page number 2, and see this, yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.